Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use the automatic cat feeder in Heartopia. This cat feeder will be unlocked after your cat carrying hobby has reached level 5. This one. This one. In here you will automatically receive the automatic feeder. And then to buy this automatic feeder, you can buy it from the Mrs. Joan. And then after you purchase it, just go to your home to place the feeder, automatic feeder, like this, and then just place it, for example, like this. After that, just tap on this icon, and then next just choose the fish or cat food that you want to add to the feeder. This automatic feeder aren't affected by pet food preferences, so you can just choose the fish freely. For example, maybe in here I want to choose the cat food. And then when you done to add this food, just tap on feed like this, and okay. With this way, you no need to feed your cat manually. Just just refill this feeder when it's empty. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.